Hello! In this video I will show how to replace the print head in Canon MAXIFY GX series models. I show the following and cover models of higher GX6000 and 7000 series, for which you can find full setup in the upper right corner of the screen. Print head may need to be replaced if ink nozzles are not firing after more cleanings or because of some other error. For detailed product maintenance information, check the maintenance video in the upper right corner of the screen. Let's start the print head replacement procedure. Follow the next steps to take out the print head. Press Home and then press and hold Stop button for 5 seconds to get to print head replacement message. Select to replace the print head and follow the steps. Here it takes a couple of minutes while printer takes out the inks from the system before the print head is ready for replacement. Now I take out the print head. In this video I put back the same print head. And again, it will take about 5 minutes until the printer is ready. When printer is ready, it is recommended to make a nozzle check print. In the upper right corner, find About Printer Only Model GX5000 on Maintenance and Print Head Replacement. The nozzle check print is fine and shows the counter and firmware version. The print head replacement puts a significant amount of ink into the maintenance cartridge, which is a consumable item and can be easily replaced from the back. With normal usage, it needs to be replaced every 12,000 pages. When print head is replaced, the print head alignment is highly recommended. I select Auto Print Head Alignment and it takes about 3 minutes to complete. And that would be all in this video. Find more about printers on my channel. There are videos for setting and configuring different functions to enjoy the full potential of the MAXIFY GX devices. Feel free to subscribe, which is free and helps me to support the channel so I can create more content in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!